Hello! Today's recipe is sweet and sour chicken wings. For the chicken breading recipe, we will need cornstarch, garlic powder, ground black peppers, and butter. Kung ayaw nyo gumawa ng manual na breading mix, you can also use yung chicken breading mix na nabibili sa mga tindahan. To make the breading mix, what you need to do is pour in your cornstarch in your mixing bowl and add some ground black peppers and your garlic powder. Just mix well until well combined. For the full list of ingredients and procedure, you will see them in the description box down below. Para mag-stick naman yung powder mix sa ating chicken wings, I melted 2 tablespoons of butter and coat the chicken wings with it. Kung wala naman kayong butter sa bahay, pwede rin kayong gumamit ng 1 piece of egg. Make sure your pan is hot before pouring your oil. This way, hindi mag-stick yung chicken wings dun sa gagamitin yung frying pan. Kapag mainit na yung oil, you can now start coating your chicken wings with a powder mixture. When frying your chicken wings, don't overcrowd it para even yung pagkakaluto. Kapag nag-slightly turn brown na yung chicken wings nyo, tanggalin nyo muna sa oil and then cook the next batch. The reason why we are doing this is to make sure na talagang luto yung loob ng chicken and also to make the skin crispy without over burning the chicken. If you like this video, please leave a comment and a thumbs up and subscribe na rin kayo sa channel ko to see more videos like this. To make the sauce, I used the ready-made sweet and sour sauce na nabibili sa mga tindahan. Nag-add lang ako ng konting ketchup. Halu-haluin nyo lang hanggang mag-thicken. At kapag masyado namang thick yung sauce, pwede nyo lagyan ng konting tubig. Pag nakuha nyo na yung gusto nyong consistency ng sauce, pwede nyo na rin ilagay yung chicken wings. Since luto na yung sauce, pati nyo yung apoy tapos i-coat nyo na lang yung chicken with the sauce. And that is how I make my sweet and sour chicken wings. Please subscribe to my channel to see more recipe videos. Thank you!